yourself.
Your Honor, may be recognized.
Go ahead, Ken.
I noticed on it, it says recommended by Councilman O'Connell. In the past, when Councilman Cano brought up the issue of letting the voters vote on the trash pickup, that he commented that he thought it was terrible, that there was no involvement. There was no involvement with myself, and I don't believe Mrs. Keller on the input.
Comment, we all
Wait a
participated.
minute, wait a
Workshop
minute. Let me
meeting
just
about
say this. We were all at the same meeting. We all did have some conversation. I'm not saying it couldn't have been a night that maybe someone didn't make a meeting, but we're not gonna take a walk down a path and say we didn't have conversation about trash. I mean, we can't take and seem to get off dead center without that being obviously a very passionate issue. And I'm just gonna take and sit here and tell you that I am not going to take and put the success of Overland in the stock of trash pickup. And there's too many other things that we have let go, including our own infrastructure to have to work on, for us to be able to take and continually fund trash. Now, if we're sitting in a financial state where what has been suggested to be able to maybe remove part of that burden, that's one thing. But for the long-term future, for anyone to take and even begin to think about, let's start cutting a bunch of corners so we can have free trash, you may as well just take and stick a knife in your heart, because that's exactly what you're doing with this city. That's my comment. Go ahead, Ken, you can be recognized.
I just wanted to let everybody know that it's my job as a representative to represent the people, and that's what I'm doing. In my ward, they are telling me exactly how they feel, and I'm addressing it up at the council. And as far as the other thing, I think it's important for every politician, every councilman, every mayor to cut costs wherever they can.
Your Honor.